Okay, I want to show you in this quick tutorial the difference between Excel tables and data ranges. Okay, let's say client, then transaction amount. Let's say client 1 up to 14, transaction 1, 2, 3, control arrow down, control shift arrow down, and let's drag it down. Amount, let's do equal run between the bottom value is going to be 100 and the top value is going to be 500. Okay, let's do a drag it down. Okay, Control C, Alt and V, values, good. And let's do this. Okay, from client 8 through 14, we're gonna move it here, and then we're gonna copy this one in here. Okay, and then to convert this data range into tables, Excel tables, the shortcut is Control T, create table. Excel quickly identify that my table has headers, and click OK. And in here, as you are able to see, this table design in the ribbon appears. Okay, we are gonna switch this table name into something else. Let's rename it as sales. Okay, there you go. Okay, and we're gonna do a quick summary of this sum. Let's call this sales square bracket amount close bracket and click enter. Good. Okay, as you notice, we are creating metrics here. Let's return the max value. Let's return the mean value. Let's return the average. Okay, and as you notice, we are performing Excel functions based on the table that we just created and the columns amount. Okay, all right. Okay, now I want to do the same here. Okay, sum of this data range, the max amount of this data range, the mean of this data range, and the average of this data range. Okay, cool. Now, why is it important that we format our tables as tables, right? Sorry, as tables, right? Why it is important that we do this as Excel tables? Okay, why? Because when our data grows, okay, it's gonna do down. And as you notice, the reference structure of a table is automatically updated. Okay, however, what happens when we do the same thing in a data range? Okay, remember that we're gonna copy this data set, this continuation of data transactions below client 7, and look at this. What happened? The functions did not update. Okay, functions did not update. So what am I supposed to do? I have to update these functions manually. Okay, hit the F2 and click on this sector of the range and drag it down, and drag it down and drag it down. Okay, so this is why it's very important to utilize Excel tables. Okay, let me do quick if conditionals. Okay, and when we're gonna say category, okay, let's do the same thing here, category. Okay, and let's do this, equal sign. If this value is below or is less than, let's say 200, this client is silver, comma, otherwise gold. Okay, this is a quick if condition. Okay, quotes, double quotes is missing. Okay, good. Let's check it. This is the logical test. The true value is no. Let's okay. The true value is in here. Double quote. Good. There we go. And as you notice, I just hit enter, and the formula returns that this first option falls into this transaction of client 1 falls into the gold category. Let's drag it down, and there we go. We have this one which is silver and this one which is silver, because those values are below 200. Okay, what happens here? Equal sign, if tab, and let's use the arrow key to the left, and as you notice, Excel quickly identify that this is a reference structure. If amount less than 200, then silver, otherwise gold. Enter. And if you notice, automatically the function, the if statement function in here was dragged down automatically. Remember, it was done automatically. What happened here? We had to drag it down. This is the reason why we need to use Excel tables, as it will update our transactions automatically. Thank you.